Today I will share with you my vegetables, herbs, and citrus in pots. Most of it was planted from seeds. In here we have water spinach, which is my favorite. Next to it is bush beans. In this pot you can get a lot of harvest. Then we have potatoes from our kitchen started to sprout, so I decided to plant it in this pot. Let's talk about zucchini. This year I decided to plant more zucchini in pots. I have two varieties, which is yellow and dark green zucchini. We love zucchini. One of the ways we enjoy it is to grill it on our barbecue. Wow, my first dark green zucchini. I'm excited to eat it tonight. They enjoy a lot of sunlight, so I place them in the side of the house where they get approximately 8 hours of sun. I noticed this year less bees around, so I began to hand pollinate to ensure a successful harvest. One important thing is to know the difference between male and female flower. The male has a long green stem and flower, and the female has a form of young zucchini and flower on top. Zucchini is a heavy feeder, so I add to the pots organic compost that I made when it's needed. In this container, I have my herbs planted from seeds. I have curled parsley, Italian parsley, and coriander. In here, I have lettuce and kale. In between, I planted spring onions as an insect repellent. I also have basil and Malabar spinach, which is planted from seeds as well. Then I have calamundan, given to me by a good friend. Last winter it has produced fruits, and I saved some seeds. Surprise! I have 4 pots of calamundan seedlings. My name is Rica, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.